Welcome students. This is an experiment on absorption. I'll take you through what will be the aim of the experiment and what we'll require. The aim to determine the percentage of water absorbed by raisins. Material required: a few raisins with intact stalks and a petri dish. Procedure: take a few raisins, weigh them and place them in a petri dish having water for about 5 to 6 hours. This is exactly what we are going to do. This is a petri dish and we have the raisins in them, and before we soak it in water we must take a weight measure of these. This is the weight box. It's got different weights and we are going to use a physical balance to weigh the weight. We have weighed these and observed that these weigh 2.5 grams in all. We will now soak them in water. We will now leave the raisins to soak in water and we will come back to it after about 5 hours. These are the soaked raisins. These have been soaked for the past 5 hours or so, and as you can see they have blotted ample water. We will now drain the water and weigh the raisins. These were the soaked raisins which we weighed once again and found the weight to be 4.2 grams. So students, we now come to the observation of this experiment. Observations: the raisins swell up due to absorption of water. Take the weight of the swollen raisins. The difference between the final and the initial reading is the amount of water absorbed, that is, water absorbed is equal to final weight minus initial weight. The final weight was 4.2 grams minus 2.5 grams, which was the initial weight, equals 1.7 grams. Percentage of water absorbed will be 1.7 divided by 2.5 into 100 equals 68%. So as you have seen, there has been a substantial amount of intake of water into the raisins. This was our experiment. Thank you, students.